Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the PhD admission notification in one of the state open university. So here the full-time as well as the part-time PhD vacancies are there, and eligibility is the PG, and whoever the candidates are going to selected, all the selected candidates are going to get the stipend as well as they will get the eligibility for working as an assistant professor in the colleges or universities. So it is a wonderful notification to the candidates who wants to do the PhD. So before going into the details and all, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is increasing the prices of the NTA UG Senate subscription plans from December 25th evening 6 o'clock onwards. So the candidates who wants to take the subscription plan, so take before itself, okay, to get the current prices, and here the new prices are mentioned. So regarding this one, the detailed content is kept at the end of this video. So to get the regular notifications, here I kept my Telegram group link in the description box of this video. So you may join in that one. And while coming to the present content of the video, it is Tamil Nadu Open University. So you can check down the application form, instructions, vacancy positions, schedule and the regulations. So first of all, while coming to the regulations, I will show you the eligibility for the PhD program. The candidates willing to register for PhD should have passed a master's degree or a professional degree declared equivalent to the master's degree in the discipline concerned with not less than 55% of marks, and also the candidate should have gone through the pattern of the study in 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 pattern or equivalent in that order. So a relaxation of 5% is provided based upon the caste categories, and if the applicants or candidates have passed the master's degree in the grading system, the candidate shall produce the equivalent marks or classification for the same. And the conditions for admission prescribed under the regulations in respect of the PhD program should be strictly followed. All candidates should have passed their PG degree course as per UGC, AICTE or NCTE or any other regulating body regulations. Fine. So here these are the conditions, guys. So you may check down this. And while coming to the important dates, here the important dates are: last date for receipt of application 4th January 2021, and the conduct of entrance examination 18th January 2021, and the conduction of interview 27th Jan, and the uploading of selection list 29th Jan, and admission intimation to the candidates 29th Jan, and the last date for the admission is 9th February 2021. And coming to the departments, which departments and how many vacancies are there. So here the economics, management, education, zoology, botany, chemistry, physics, geography, costume design and fashion, computer science, Tamil, criminology and criminal justice administration, ancient history and archaeology, political science and public administration. So the total here 39 number of vacancies are there. Vacant seats are there, and you can check down that the PhD scholars who are going to get awarded PhD degree in Tamil Nadu Open University is eligible for assistant professor in colleges or universities, and also for promotional opportunities in higher educational institutions. And next one is Tamil Nadu Open University Fellowship is available for the full-time research scholars, that is 7,500 rupees per month, and for second year, and 10,000 rupees per month for the third year, and annual contingency of 10,000 rupees per annum as per the rules of URF TNOU. Fine. So for the full-time scholars, the stipend is available. And coming to the few instructions, okay, PhD regular mode, full-time or part-time, January 2021, admission selection. The applicants should send a demand draft of 500 rupees along with the filled-in application form. And the applicants need to submit the attested copies of the following. So birth certificate or SSLC and community certificate, okay, and the mark statements and the convocation certificates, okay, and if you qualified the UGC or CSIR net including the JRF set or get the teacher fellowship holder or awarded with any other national fellowship or scholarship and passed MPhil degree, so the proof of that one, and the service certificate and the no objection certificate. And coming to the eligibility criteria, so I already shown you the eligibility criteria, the regulations 2019, and here the fee structure is mentioned. Fine. So these are all the details regarding the PhD admission notification in the Tamil Nadu Open University. So it is a very good opportunity. So if you belongs to these departments, whatever I mentioned, so have a look on this website. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, cleared the GATE and UGC NET exam for the 2 times and having the 13 years of teaching experience. And right now I am dealing with the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, as well as the paper 2, that is electronic science in Unacademy. As all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is dealing with the different types of competitive exam, and the NTA UGC NET is one of that one. And right now the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the different subjects of NTA UGC NET that you can check down here. Commerce, general paper on teaching, that is teaching and research aptitude. It is common to all the 81 subjects which is conducted by the University Grants Commission. And the management, computer science, political science, history, economics, and English, labor welfare, sociology, and the language, law, education, geography, psychology, Hindi, public administration, electronic science, environmental sciences, philosophy, tourism admin and management, home science, mass communication and journalism, batch courses, Sanskrit, anthropology, and Punjabi. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects and preparing for the UGC NET exam for the next season. So here price hike alert is there. So price hike alert means right now whatever the plans are there. Okay, so these are the plans for 1 month subscription, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So right now these plans are there. That means if you want to take the 1 month subscription plan, then it is 2,100, and for 3 months 5,250, and 6 months 9,450, and 12 months 11,550, and 24 months 16,800. Okay, so based upon when you want to write the exam, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. Okay, so these prices are going to increase from tomorrow onwards, that is from 25th December evening 6 o'clock. Okay, so please mind this time, 25th December evening 6 o'clock, the prices are going to increase. So before increasing the prices, if you are planning to take, so right now take the subscription plan, but because the price hike alert is there and the prices are going to increase. Okay, and for the new batches for June 2021, the new courses are already launched in the Unacademy platform. So all the interested candidates, please once go through the Unacademy website and then check down the subjects whatever I shown you right now. Okay, and then take the subscription plan. So these subscription plans are really helpful to you for your UGC NET preparation to crack the JRF. Okay, and the link for subscription I provided in the description box of this video. So once go through that link and click on that one, then you will be directed to the link that where you can subscribe.